What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today I will be sharing with you guys a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I'm really excited to share this baby with you guys. I got it today actually, and you are actually going to see a lot of packaging in this in future videos, or before this one, with the holiday packaging, because I went crazy the past couple of months. December and January, so sorry not sorry. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and make sure you hit the little bell so you're notified every single time that I post a new video. I post new videos every single Tuesday and Saturdays. They're usually fashion related videos, how to style, lookbooks, things like that. And I have gotten into the luxury world, and I'm going to be doing unboxings, reviews, and things of that sort. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share the item with you guys. It came in this box right here. I got it at Saks, so they packed it with the Saks ribbon, the Saks Fifth Avenue ribbon, and I actually kind of like it like that. So, kind of cool. And then they had some of the letters left, so S for Sophie. And then she gave me the La Lettre magazine, and I will be looking at it later. And then my receipt is in here as well, and for privacy purposes I never like to share my receipt, but it is in here. So, ooh, fancy. I've never seen it like that before. So sorry. They packaged it with the white paper, and then it says Louis Vuitton right here. I've never seen it like that. I don't know if that's a new thing for the year or if it was just for today. And I will take it out of it. Looks pretty. Okay. But empty boxes in, going back on the floor. And it comes in this packaging right here. Okay. So I got the favorite PM, and in the Damier Ebene color. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so it comes with the gold plate, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris in here. As I said, it has a magnetic closure. It is red on the inside, and it has the pocket here, and inside that pocket here it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I don't know, I feel like it could be just me, and maybe I got duds, but I feel like the bags in the US are not as good, made in the US is not as good quality as made in France. I could just be all in my head, but that's what I've experienced so far, so I don't know, it could be in my head too. And then it comes with the gold chain right here. This chain is not removable. You can remove it from one side right here and attach it to this side and make it into a wristlet, but rarely do I ever wear my bags like that, so I'm going to reattach it here. And I got the PM size because I have been obsessed with mini bags and kind of not carrying a lot of things, but yet at the same time I still want to add a couple of big bags in my collection when I do feel like I want to carry my whole house with me. But for now, this is going to be it. And then the back right here has some stitching for the pocket, and then two little grommets, I guess, to attach it at the end. And it comes with the strap right here. The only downside to this bag, honestly, is that the strap, I hate that it's like this. I think in the future I'm going to get a strap with both of the, I don't know what these are called, D-rings on each side. So I don't know, I feel like it cheapens the bag a little bit. I mean, I am going to be wearing it crossbody, so I'm not gonna, it's not something where I'm not gonna see it as much, I guess, because it's in the back, but it still bothers me that, I don't know, I feel like Louis Vuitton, it should just come with both D-rings. Even if it's a little bit more, I would pay the price tag for it. And I love this bag. It's going to be very casual for weekend, and then I love it too because you can remove the actual leather strap. You can remove it and carry it like that at the crook of your arm, or if you want to carry it on your shoulder, you can. And it's going to be really great for like a night out, or you can even carry it as a clutch. I have the Eva clutch, and I love doing it like that. The reason, and that's also why I got it in Damier Ebene, because I have the Eva clutch in the monogram, so I think it would be redundant. But I love this because it has a magnetic closure, and I can just get things in and out of there, and I don't have to do the zipper or anything like that. So I really love this bag, and I hope you love it as well. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share it. Let me know in the comments down below what are your thoughts, and click like, just because. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I love you, and have a great day. Bye.